Learn egui in Neovim. Episode 1. Your first window. Build desktop apps with Rust and egui. Egui is a fast, immediate mode GUI library for Rust. Eframe provides the native window. Egui draws the interface inside it. In this series, we learn egui while navigating code with Neotree in Neovim. Today, Cargo New, Eframe setup, and your first window. Let's begin. Cargo New creates a fresh Rust project. We enter the new project directory. Open Neovim. No file argument needed. Space+e opens Neotree on the right. J moves down. Enter opens the file. Cargo.toml manages dependencies. G jumps to the bottom. Add eframe 0.31. This gives us egui and a native window. Save with :W. :E switches files. Open src/main.rs. Clear the file and start fresh. Import egui from Eframe. The main function returns Eframe result for error handling. Native Options configures the window before it opens. Viewport Builder sets the window size 400 by 300 pixels. Default fills in the remaining options with defaults. Run_native launches the window. It takes a title, options, and our app. The window title appears in the title bar. Box New wraps our app. The closure creates it on startup. My app is our application struct. It holds the app state. One field, name, a string. Default sets the initial state. Name starts as world. To underscore string converts the string literal into an owned string. Impl app is where we draw the interface. Update runs every frame. CentralPanel fills the window. The closure receives a UI handle. Heading displays large text. Label displays normal text. Format macro inserts the name field into the greeting. Save with :W 37 lines of Rust for a complete GUI app. G scrolls to top. Review the full file before building. Bang cargo build. Compile the project inside Neovim. Cargo downloads and compiles all dependencies. This takes a moment. Neotree shows cargo.lock appeared after the build. Our first egui window is ready to run. Our app running, a 400 by 300 window with heading and labels. Hello egui, welcome message, and a greeting using the name field. Every egui app follows this same pattern. Recap. 5 key takeaways. First, eframe provides the window. egui draws inside it. Second, native options and viewport builder configure the window. Third, impl app with update draws your interface. Fourth, CentralPanel, heading, and label build the layout. Fifth, cargo build compiles your app for testing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more egui tutorials. Next episode, buttons and text input.